Okay, Baumann Living Espresso Machine. Head cleaning or the head. So this is the porta filter head. So it's already having a low pressure. So we're going to clean this part. So first you need to remove this using a screwdriver. Sometimes the coffee gets stuck and then it's already removed. And this is my first time opening this. Oops. And now you can see it's very dirty. So we need to clean this with water. And as you can see, yep. So that's coffee. Sometimes I over grind my coffee, so it will go this up, having a low pressure. So instead of brewing short time, it takes much longer, and we need also to clean this up. I mean all the espresso. So this is the porta filter. So let's check further if so. What could be clean? Yep, we need to wipe that. Yeah, as you can see, it's very dirty. Yep, we need a white rag to clean it up. Okay, so I'm cleaning this part with a clean rag. For this one, I'll just wipe it, but first, very dirty. So this could be the cost of the slow pressure. Okay. Yep. So for this dirty, so that's the coffee residue. Sometimes when you put too much coffee on your filter, porta filter, it will rise up here, resulting to slow. Recently, I changed the beans and still adjustment for the coffee beans. So this might also need to be cleaned regularly. And also the side. Okay. Look how dirty it is. The residue of the coffee. Yeah. Through inspection, the head is already clean, but I think the surface needs cleaning. So I'm gonna wipe it with a wet rag for the coffee spills that are on the stainless. But for the head, I think it's already clean, and this metal part is already clean also. So yep, better clean. So smile for the camera, for this is for the okay. So now it's clean, guys. So might check, although there's still some, but I'm gonna rinse it with a fresh water. And yep. Make sure to have this also clean, this rubber that holds the portafilter. Okay. And let's clean this part. Okay. I just noticed recently that the pressure buildup is not already that accurate. That's why clean up. Okay. That's the cleanest. Make sure to unplug your machine before you dismantle anything. Okay. So now it's good to go. Clean, clean, clean from any residue. Okay. Right. That's how you cleaning. Good as new, guys. Right. So let's put it back. Oh. So this will go right here. And wait, I'm gonna wipe one last wipe. Okay, and just a clean rag would be enough. Okay. So the screw. Okay, just hold it. And now it's fit. Okay, so let's try. Plugging. Turn it on. And we're gonna take some. So to test it, guys, now our machine is just warming up, so we can test the drip. So make sure you have a drip. Okay. So now all lights, let's test. Okay, so much better drip. Yep. Much more build-up than previous. Okay, so that's how you clean the espresso machine head. I'm just gonna make another video regarding the flash. For now, this is just the cleaning. Backflash is another topic. Alright. How builds pressure more faster. Any experience